Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check your person's current feelings towards you and what is going to be their next step in regards with this relationship and with you. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book an appointment with me, so just go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below and DM me over there. Okay, so let's get started for my Libras. What is going on, and let's see. So for my Libras and their person, what is happening? What is going on for my Libras and their person? All right. Okay, so let's see the first thing, your person's current feelings towards you. Okay, so it's the card is balance over here for you, Libras. So this is telling us that your person is behaving more like you only, because Libra is the balance is for more Libra energy, which I feel. And you know, they are really balanced, they are in control with their feelings towards you. They might not be showing a lot of love towards you, might not be showing they are very romantic, and they are very balanced, and you are not able to get that what exactly their feelings are towards you. So that is why, you know, you do not try, like, what is going on, you do not know at that time. So that is what is coming in their energies, but we are going to clarify it more. What do they think that you feel towards them? So this is awakening for you. Your feelings towards them is awakening card. So it tells us that you are very different person for them. They feel that you are always in some or the other kind of something, you know, like you are busy some in some other places with some other people, and that is why they do not feel that there is a lot of love from your side as well, because they are also not showing their love towards you, and they also feel that you are also not giving them the 100% which they want. So that is why, you know, it's like 50-50 kind of a relationship which is happening. It's more kind of a pause when we do not try to indulge in the relationship a lot, you know, when you stop talking, when you stop like always chit chatting. No, they feel that you are not giving enough time to them. That is what they are feeling. Okay, what is the obstacle in this relationship? King of Swords. Wow. So this energy of King of Swords is coming in your obstacles. So it tells us that over here with the King of Swords, the main thing is ego, you know, arrogancy. So that is what this person or you, whosoever this person is, because this shows lack of emotional connect. Okay, so the lack of emotional connect is missing is actually happening in between both of you, and that is why this relationship is not going to that level in which it should go. So the clear indication or the clear suggestion for this relationship is always communication, and that is what this card is telling over here for you. Let's see what is their next step. Okay, so we have Ace of Wands. So this is a very bold and courageous action which they should take, and I think that yes, that an opportunity might come towards them, and they might take this action, because this always tells us about that, you know, they know that I should take that action, I should communicate with my Librans, but they are not able to do that because they feel that the time is not right, it's not the perfect time, you know, some or the other thing is always happening in between both of you, and they are not able to communicate with you directly. So that is the problem which is coming up towards you. They are very balanced. Yes, this thing is coming up in their card. Yes, they are very balanced, and they know when to talk, when to not talk. So yeah. Okay, so what's going to be your action towards them? The Emperor. I don't feel that there is any action which you might show, you know, in regards with love, I would say, because the Emperor always tells us logic, and it tells us about, you know, a very structured and disciplined person who who takes a decision who whatever he takes a decision making, he does this thing with a very, calm mode. This emperor does not take any decision just like that. Okay, so you will see the pros and cons before taking any decision, then only I feel that you will take that decision making. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, in both the things which I also find common in both your and his and this person's energy, that there is that arrogancy, that being not communicative, because why should I talk, this person should talk to me. And you are also the same thing, that both of you are showing the same energies towards each other. Okay, let me confirm the last. So this is the final outcome of this relationship. It is the Eight of Cups. This is not the final outcome of the relationship, it is the final outcome of the situation in which you are going through. So this has come as the Eight of Cups over here. So this outcome tells us that you might leave this thing, whatever the problem is coming up. This might be a communication issue which is coming up in between both of you. So you might leave that communication part and you may go towards like, let's not talk about that even, that thing. But with the Eight of Cups, I also get that energy of not getting involved a lot, because both of your energies are not very serious at this point of time, because your energy might be serious, but they are thinking that you are not serious towards them. They feel that you are taking them for granted, or you're always, that temporary pause is coming again and again in this relationship. This might be a relationship where you might talk to each other, but then again a gap, then again you both talk, then again a gap is coming. So that is what is coming. So this is why they are not getting that strong vibe from you, and they are also not trying to give you that strong emotional vibe. Okay, so let me check the overall energy of this relationship now. Okay, so Four of Pentacles. So I already told you that controlled energy of each other, where you both are just balancing whatever emotions you are putting in this relationship. You are balanced, you are choosing those resources very wisely, like how much love should I give to this person, how much time should I give to this person, how much energy should I give to this person. So that is the common link which is coming up for both of you, and that is what is coming up here. All right, so let me clarify some cards for you. Okay, why the balanced energy is here? Why the balanced energy is here in the Libra person's energy? Current feelings of Libras, persons towards Libras. Why the balance is here? It's the Knight of Wands. Well, this person is really balanced, and this person is not very focused in this relationship, because this is a very passionate person, but the Knight of Wands, it's always about that person who is Casanova kind of a person, who is somebody who just enters in a relationship, and if that person does not feel fine, then move on, let's go. So they come and they leave. So that is what this energy for this person towards you, Libras, is coming up here. And this is a very passionate relationship though, but a very temporary. And that is why the temporary card, they also feel that temporary feelings from your side as well. This is the reason. Let me check why the Awakening card is here in your energies. What are they feeling that you are thinking about them? Why Awakening is here? Nine of Cups. Yeah, so this is a very positive card for me, because this always tells us that showing gratitude towards the situation, that gratefulness. Nine of Cups is that feeling of content in a relationship, in anything. Okay, so they know that they like you a lot, but it is like somebody over here has faith in the universe that whatever is happening, it is happening for good. So they might not give this relationship like, no, I want you, I mean you in this relationship, because you are feeling that whatever is happening in the universe, that is best for me. Whatever the situation is happening, I'm happy because universe has thought a lot about me, and I'm happy with the decision of universe. So this is what is coming for you in this relationship. What they feel, this is not exactly your feelings, but it is what they feel from your side, that you are not going to take a chance in this relationship, that you are fine with whatever is happening. If this relationship will work, you are fine with that. If this relationship is not working, you are fine with that. So that is what your feelings are coming towards them in this reading. Okay, let's see what is the obstacle, why the King of Swords is coming up as the obstacle in your energies in this relationship. Five of Wands. Yeah, so this is the card which enhance the King of Swords, because this clearly tells us that conflicts in regards with communication, conflicts in regards with something like, somebody out of you both is very ambitious in nature, and that is why they do not find that I will get a lot in this relationship, that kind of ambitious feeling, and always involved in some kind of a drama or whatever, like something has happened, so blaming you, or you might be blaming them. So this is all what is happening in this relationship, and obstacles are coming up a lot. So somebody needs to walk away from this drama, that this card clearly tells us that. Okay, I want to check why the Ace of Wands, what kind of step they are going to take, why the Ace of Wands is here. Yeah, Seven of Cups. So Ace of Wands clearly tells us that the idea, okay, Ace of Wands does not tell us that this person is going to take an action. Okay, it is just an idea which is coming up. It only tells us that an idea is coming up in their mind, that I should talk to my Libra, but whether they will talk or not, that has not yet decided. And this is what they are in between, that they are not able to decide that whether to talk to my Libra person or not. They are in between. Okay, they are very confused that if I will talk, this relationship might work out, but after that this thing can again start becoming a problem. So that is why they are like too many options. They might be even, this card can be like, exploring more options kind of a person. So this person can be exploring more, like talking to you and talking to some other people as well. So this is what is coming up in their energies towards the relationship and overall. I want to check your overall outcome with the Eight of Cups. Why the Eight of Cups is here? With the Eight of Wands, two eights are here. So basically changes are going to come, and changes are coming really fast. So whatever things will happen around you, if this person might be leaving from this relationship, it is going to be really fast. So this tells us that too much is going on, and it will happen really fast, whatever is happening. Okay, so I think that is all from my side, my dear Librans. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.